Hello friends, today I am talking about Lasco heater blinking flashing 88 error code, meaning and what to do. Meaning of the 88 error code. The 88 error code on Lasco heaters indicates a malfunction often related to the main control board or power supply issues. This error typically suggests that the heater is unable to complete its startup sequence due to potential faults in the electronics or components. What to do? Step 1. Reset the heater. Disconnect the heater from the wall outlet. Leave the heater unplugged for 10 to 15 minutes. After waiting, plug the heater back into a different wall outlet. Ensure that this outlet is functioning properly by testing it with another device. Step 2. Check power supply. Direct connection. Ensure that your heater is plugged directly into a wall outlet. Avoid using extension cords, power strips, or such protectors as this can cause voltage drops or fluctuations. Test another outlet. If possible, try plugging the heater into another room's outlet to determine if there is an issue with the original outlet. Step 3. Inspect for damage. Carefully examine the exterior of the heater for any visible damage such as cracks or burnt marks. If you are comfortable and it is safe to do so, open the heater casing to inspect the control board for burnt components or loose connections. Ensure all wires are securely connected and not frayed or damaged. Step 4. Seek professional help. If you are uncomfortable performing these checks or replacements, consider contacting Lasco customer support or a qualified technician for assistance. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and share and subscribe.